Hello,
Hello.
hi Nasa. Welcome back to my class. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good too. It's good to see you again. uh,
Yes.
yes, all
Your
right.
house is back in the wall. Is very cool. So simple.
Simple, yeah, because
Ah,
this is like a requirement for native just white, plain white.
yes.
Yeah. I tried to use, the background here at native gum system, but sometimes, it affects the connection sometimes. Yeah,
Really?
yeah, it affects the connection. So I'd
Mm-hmm.
rather not use it.
Ah,
Yes. Have you tried that? The background of the system?
your
No,
nose.
haven't. You haven't. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you can try also. They have like maybe four kinds of backgrounds. Yeah,
Yes.
yes, you can try that too. But I tried
Mhm.
once, but I just noticed that sometimes it affects the quality of the video or audio.
Really?
Uh, okay, let's start with the lesson. Okay,
Yes,
all
sure.
right. So I can see here you chose Business English Basic 10. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes, so today's lesson, yes, Business English Basic 10. Introduce your coworker to your client. All right, so please check today's goal.
Yes, to be able to introduce your coworker to your client.
Then let's check today's words and expressions. So please repeat after me twice. All right,
Yes.
let's start with the first. I think I need to just type all of this immediately. One setting. Here we go. So let's start with the first one. Launch.
Launch.
One more time. Launch.
Launch.
Okay. Next is colleague.
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 Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Look forward to.
Look forward to.
Look forward to.
Look forward to.
Meaning to.
Meaning to.
Meaning to.
Meaning to.
Stay sharp.
Stay sharp.
Stay sharp.
Stay sharp.
And the last one is taskmaster.
Taskmaster.
One more time. Taskmaster.
Taskmaster. Yeah.
To the role play. Okay, please check the directions here.
Yes. And I checked it.
Yeah.
Be praised for the launch idea. Introduce the new coworker to client.
Okay.
Client expects me to produce good work.
All right. So let's do a role play. So I'll be the client. You'll be the representative. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Please start.
Mm. Hmm. Okay. 45分で。Okay. Good morning. Can I have a bit? Can I have a bit of your time, sir?
Hurry. Good to see you. I like the new idea you have for the launch.
I'm glad you like it, sir. There's someone I'd like you to meet.
Uh, hmm. And who is this?
And this is Lee, my colleague. She'll be helping me with work.
Yeah.
with work. With work. With work.
Work. All
Sorry.
right. Nice to meet you. I look forward to your work.
Yeah, work.
Work, right?
Yes,
Okay. Work.
easy word, but the
Mm,
pronunciation is very difficult
yeah,
for me.
work. Sometimes it's like sounds E, right? Work,
Work,
work.
work is yeah. Sorry,
Okay. Can you say work?
work,
Okay.
work,
Yeah, that's clear.
work,
Work.
work,
Mhm.
work. Yeah,
Yes. All right. So let's switch the roles. So this time I'll be the representative and you'll be the
yeah,
client. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Good morning. Can I have a bit of your time, sir?
Oh, Harry, good to see you. I like the new idea you have for the launch.
I'm glad you like it, sir. There's someone I'd like you to meet.
Huh? And who is this?
This is Lee, my colleague. She'll be helping me with work.
Nice to meet you. I look forward to your work.
Okay, that's great. Now let's move to the second role play. Please check the situations.
Yes. Be thanked for the design. Introduce Hans. Client advise the Hans to stay sharp.
All right, so let's start. Again, you'll be the representative, I'll be the client. Okay, please start.
Yeah, good morning. Can I have a bit of your time, sir?
Leah, I've been meaning to call. Oh, this is the meaning to. I've been meaning to call. I wanted to thank you for the design.
I'm glad you like it, sir. And there's someone I'd like you to meet.
New assistant?
And this is Hans, my colleague, and he'll be helping me with work.
Hello there. You better stay sharp. Leia's a taskmaster. Okay, yeah, taskmaster. Let's switch the roles.
Are you a taskmaster?
No.
I'm kidding.
Let's switch the roles, okay? So I'll be the representative. Good morning. Can I have a bit of your time, sir?
Yeah, I've been meaning to call. I wanted to thank you for the design.
I'm glad you like it, sir. There's someone I'd like you to meet.
New assistant?
This is Hans, my colleague. He'll be helping me with work.
Hello there. You better stay sharp. Real taskmaster.
All right, let's have role play number 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's check the situation.
Yeah, client congratulates on new TV ad. Introduce Tam, a coworker.
All right, so you're a representative. I'm the client. Please start.
Good morning. Can I have a bit? Can I have a bit of your time, sir? Speed faster.
Yeah, faster.
Can I have a bit of your time, sir?
Yeah, you want to make it faster. Yeah, that's good. That's a practice. Good practice.
Yeah.
Sure. By the way, congratulations on that TV ad.
I'm glad you like it, sir. There's someone I'd like you to meet.
New assistant?
And this is not my colleague. He'll be helping me with work.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes they cut the T, right? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
They cut the
Meet
T.
you too.
Yes.
Mr. Eric.